Let's go guys, Ichimoku technical analysis in only 3 minutes.
Okay, let's look into IOST blockchain. So it's a blockchain. I never heard about it until today. Someone asked me to do a technical analysis on the Discord group. So join the Discord also, guys, if you want to have some technical analysis using Ichimoku on your favorite token. So that's one might be interesting to look at. So let's have a look. It's a very weird configuration right now. First things I notice is our lagging here that cross those candle. It's not usual. It's pretty unusual. And now we have this massive candle. So normally this lagging should be pushed on the bottom. It's easier than crossing it here or even going above. And if the lagging goes down, the price of our token is going to go down as well. Why is that? Because the lagging is the same exact price at the same exact level as where is our candle right now, 26 period before. So 26 days, it's weeks, sorry, so because I'm on a weekly here, so 26 week ago from behind our current candle, all right? So the problem is under that, so we're kind of going to cross it here, which is so weird, it never happened, and we have here the Tenkan, Kijun all together around this area, so it's creating a lot of pressure to get done. So at the same time, we should go lower, we should go bearish, but at the same time, we have a lot of support here to not go bearish and go bullish. So it's kind of hard to tell what might happen here. On a weekly, I will wait to see clearly where is the candle heading, if it's going to go under or if it's breaking above before taking any decision. And as for the current candle on our chart here on the weekly, I'd wait to get anyway away from the cloud, because being inside the cloud make us go anywhere inside. We can go anywhere. However, we do have this Tenkan that give us some support. Our Tenkan weekly, which should keep us above around here, but you know, it's a cloud, so things can move pretty hard inside. Our support here will be this SSB, which is quite flat, or even the Kijun monthly, which is even stronger than the SSB as a support. So hard to tell what will happen, but the decision to move in to take a long or short position will have to be when we get under this Kijun monthly, or when we get away from our SSA of the cloud. So yeah, on a daily, I'm going to look at the daily. It's already almost 3 minutes. Sorry for that. On the daily, you can see we get now, we are testing our Tenkan daily. This one is a Tenkan daily with pressure above the Tenkan monthly. So both of them creating some pressure. It's harder to get away from it. We testing it, so maybe again one more time tomorrow, and then we will have the decision of breaking above or going into a pullback. The pullback first, take profit on a pullback on a short position will be here at 0.04, 0.046, my bad. If we were going to go on a long, but then we clearly break above this Tenkan monthly, and then we have all the way up to here, to this area of the cloud. The SSB is going to create some pressure to enter, so it's gonna be harder to get in, especially when it's flat here. You see, starting on 22nd of October, pretty much tomorrow, getting above this SSB is harder because it's flat here, and I kind of see the Kijun that's going to go also very flat and keep pushing around here. So it's going also to create some pressure. So entering the cloud gonna be hard, but once we enter, we get a very large cloud. So if we do enter, we can go very bullish up to the edge of our cloud. So yeah, and for the lagging, you can see we have way to go even lower. We get stuck here with our Tenkan. That's the Tenkan monthly, so it's going to create some support. And above, we are stuck because of those candles, except maybe here we have a doji candle. Maybe we could escape here. Normally we need 3 on a daily or even on a weekly to get away. But if we break there, anyway, we have also this Tenkan daily that is going to create some pressure. So yeah, watch out from what I just said. You guys look at the signals and you will be fine. But at the moment, I wouldn't enter this token until I see a clear signal. So yeah, be careful. I see you later. Bye bye.
Alright guys, let's subscribe to Starlight Crypt YouTube. Ichimoku Technical Analysis. Ichimoku the best. Ichimoku Starlight Crypt on YouTube. Subscribe.